Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious African salad, aka abacha, without potash. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is to pour in some palm oil into a pot, and I'll be setting that aside. So this is the potash replacement. So I'm going to add water to this. This is called ntungo in Igbo language. So this serves as a potash replacement, okay? It does the work of potash. It's not potash, but it does the work of potash, okay? So I'm giving it a good stir, and I'll be leaving it for 1 good hour to settle. So after settling, this is how it looks like, because what we need is just the water, okay? So this is how the water will look like. Hope you guys are seeing it. So we're going to add some into the palm oil. And give it a stir. So as you guys can see, it's forming a thick paste. So next that will be added is ugba, aka shredded soybean. Then you give it a good mix. Ugba also gives a nice taste to abacha. This is ground crayfish, seasoned and cooked stockfish flesh. Then here I have local spices. It was roasted then grounded, so I'm adding some. Then this is ogiri. It's a natural flavoring. Then I'm adding Cameroon pepper. This is a blend of yellow and red pepper. Adding some seasoning cube, then salt, then this is cooked kpomo. So I seasoned it with the stock fish flesh, okay? Then here I have shredded uziza leaves. Give it a good stir, guys. Uziza leaves takes this recipe to another level. Another level of taste and flavor. So if you've not tried uziza leaves in your abacha, guys, try it out and come back with a testimony. So it's time to add our abacha. So as you add the abacha, you stir, okay? I'm using the fresh abacha. It wasn't dried at all. But if you're using the dried one, if you're going for the dried one, you have to soak in hot water for some minutes, then pour it into a sieve to drain water, okay? So as you add the abacha, you incorporate it with the sauce, okay? So if you love or enjoy much sauce in your abacha, at this point you're going to leave it like this. Okay, but if you don't want much sauce in your abacha, like you add more abacha, okay, you incorporate more abacha into it. So it depends on how you want it. So this is how I love mine. Okay, so it depends on choice. So after giving it a good stir, you taste for salt and add salt if need be. So the next step is to apply low heat for 5 minutes, okay, to heat up a little. So be right back. So this is it after heating it up a little. So you're going to give it a good mix again. So heat it up on low heat for like 5 minutes. Just heat it up a little. Don't start cooking it though. Oh guys, you're going to love this abacha recipe. It was so delicious, and as you guys can see, it's an easy recipe to come up with. A spicy delicious abacha, aka African salad, is ready. Okay, so you can garnish with utazi leaves. This is utazi leaves, so make sure you wash the utazi leaves. Then you also have garden egg, then fried fish in pepper sauce. Then you can also garnish with your onions rings. Guys, are you seeing this? Please make sure, like I will always tell you, make sure you try out this recipe. Try out this abacha recipe. You are going to love it. You are going to love this abacha, guys. Like, thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.